Last week, a speculation circulated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would feature the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity as its predecessor, which was disappointing given that several of Samsung's competitors are now exceeding the figure. Today we have some news. Nevertheless, according to the famous Chinese leakster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will include 16 GB of RAM. It also appears that all storage versions of the phone will get 16 GB of RAM, just like all storage versions of the S24 Ultra receive 12 GB. So Samsung will continue to avoid the Chinese practice of matching precise RAM numbers with certain storage capacities for its flagship handsets. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has previously been speculated to feature a significant overhaul over its predecessor, including round corners that do not cause a dent in your hand. Along with these design modifications, reports indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have an updated 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. There have also been claims that Samsung may turn back to Qualcomm Snapdragon CPUs for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series in all territories. However, we've also seen contradicting reports that the company hopes to strengthen Exynos 2500 chip fields in order to offer it on its future flagships in select markets. Overall, it appears to be a really exciting release, despite the fact that it will not be announced for another 5 months. Stay tuned for the most up-to-date information on the next Samsung gadget. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.